Hi guys, you can see I am currently on my Twitter account, so here I am. There's my main feed, my main page. What I'm going to show you is something that we actually can't access while we're in our training session today. However, what we are going to do is I'm going to show you an example because you can access this at home, and using this with Twitter chats makes it easier. At first, it's going to look much more complicated, but it really actually is much easier. So I'm going to take you back to my homepage, and it just shows, this is my normal feed. This is people are posting. I can see what is coming up and what everyone's doing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go search, and in search, I'm going to type Tweetdeck, all one word, just like tweet, and you're going out on a deck. I'm going to go to this. It's the verify. That's what this little check mark means. And then I'm going to go ahead and under where they are, just above their followers, I'm going to click the link. And it's going to make my screen look very much different than what you were. Oh, it's going to make me log in. And now you see this is actually the same Twitter account, but what this has done, it looks much more complicated, but instead, all the way over here to the left, this is that same feed that you saw before. So this is what that main page was. And what it also does is it talks about in this category here, this is activity. These are people that I follow or follow me, that what their activity, who they're following, who they're commenting on. It can give you some idea of maybe other people that you'd like to follow. Notifications, these are any likes, mentions, follows, kind of gives you an update of what's happening with you so it doesn't get buried in the feed. Finally, all the way over here is my direct messages. So for example, my message from Kylene Beers is there. You can see that. And then this, in my second, this is the search category. And I can put anything here that I would like. So I'm going to go back to the Sax Pride. And you can see there is the same feed that I showed you before, or what you probably see on your computer. Now what will happen, the difference is when we're doing a Twitter chat, the feed on your computer, when you're in searching and you've found Sax Pride, it won't actually update on its own, or it won't update very often on its own, and so you'll constantly have to hit refresh. In this form, in TweetDeck, this hashtag, anytime there's a new posting, it will automatically update, so it becomes running, which makes actually the Twitter chat much easier. You're not hitting the refresh button all the time, and it allows you to possibly take part in multiple chats at one time if that's something that you're interested in doing eventually. But it just makes your life a little bit easier than just having the Twitter feed like you see over here all on its own. So that's TweetDeck. Again, unfortunately, won't be able to use it to class, but it is very helpful when you're in the middle of a Twitter chat that you can see that it's kind of pulled out from the rest of the field. Thanks, guys.